Welcome back in the kitchen. We're again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipe. Simple, easy and effective. This one is just corned beef and cabbage served with some golden vegetable rice. So enjoy the recipe and please subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below, and also follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We are there for you. Thank you so much and tune in with Chef Ricardo show. Nice, another welcome back in the kitchen, again and again with Chef Ricardo. All good story of cooking in the kitchen. Anyway, today we're going to do some corned beef and cabbage served with some golden vegetable rice. First thing I want to simply say to you, I have half of a corned beef over here, some cherry tomato cut up, and this is some garlic, thyme, mixed peppers, and this is some cabbage, white onion, spring onion, and some sweet corn right here. So it's amazing recipe, guys. I did some video before, and you know what I mean, I'll get requests over and over to do certain things. I just did it, you know what I mean. Just like I'll have some corned beef left over from the other day before, and I said to myself, say I could do some, you know what I mean, stir-fried cabbage and corned beef with some mixed peppers and sweet corn and bits and pieces. Anyway, we're going to show you how we're going to do this one, and I know you guys will love it. So anyway, look at this now. Nice and lovely. So basically, medium sized front pan, and all you're going to do is pop 2 teaspoons of olive oil in the front pan like this on a medium sized heat. Little bit of white onion, roughly about half of a white onion, fresh thyme, as you can see, garlic, spring onion, cabbage, mixed peppers, and some cherry tomato. Very nice. Little bit of ghost pepper. Pinch of vegetable season. Give it a quick stir. And that's looking lovely and nice. Have your sweet corn. This is some frozen sweet corn. I make this fry for roughly about 6 to 7 minutes. Then we're going to add the corned beef. Nice and lovely. So now I have this frying for about 6 minutes. So now what I'm going to do is add my corned beef. And simple, just cover it like this and allow it for it to just cook for about 2 to 3 seconds. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, this is exactly what Chef Ricardo is talking about. As you can see, so now this is finished. I don't want to overcook the cabbage too much, and this is looking lovely. This is the original way again cooking some lovely corned beef at home with cabbage. Look at that, beautiful. What we're going to show you now, we're going to share it out with some golden vegetable rice and enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe and leave your comments below, guys. Thank you so much to tune into Chef Ricardo cooking show. Nice and lovely. I just share it out, guys. As you can see, we got some golden vegetable rice and corned beef with cabbage. Fantastic recipe ideas to share with the fans. And if you want me to put that golden rice, let Chef Ricardo know. We definitely can do our next video for that one. But it's just really nice and beautiful. For now, you can do something with the corned beef and serve it with something totally different. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments below. We got a lot more tips, ideas, and recipe coming out for you. This is Chef Ricardo on the team. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Thank you so much. Bye bye.